Van Zyl, publisher and editorial director of Residential Lighting Magazine, here in Dallas with our managing editor, Nicole Bowling, and our Showroom of the Year Awards partner from Dallas Market Center, President and CEO, Cindy Morris.
The Showroom of the Year Awards is entering its 7th year, and we're looking for the best and brightest lighting retailers.
These distinguished awards recognize overall retailing excellence, with one Showroom of the Year award winner in each of 3 dollar volume categories, plus 3 specialty awards.
Finalists will be announced in the May 2016 issue of Residential Lighting, and the winners will be announced here at the June 2016 Dallas Lighting Market.
So, who can enter and how do they do it? Any independent lighting retailer is eligible, and anyone in the lighting industry can nominate a store. Go to www.sotyawards.com and complete your entry or nomination form by February 29th.
We hope to see you in Dallas this summer as a Showroom of the Year Award winner.